see you smile again, watch your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to thaw. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen you today.
So here's Pete with Western Move. How you
everybody.
doing?
How you doing?
A nice, wonderful park that we're here.
Hey, good morning. We're here at Lake Athens Marina and RV Park, and we're going to give you a view of the park. So we're going to walk down the street and see what's there.
Yes, previously we showed you the dash cam view as we pulled in, and these are the sites here. Someone walking down there you go.
Here's site 47. It's empty, so you can get a good idea of this pull through. It has a lake view that you'll
There's
see
the
more in a
view
minute.
in the back. The beautiful Lake Athens. There are a total of 60 sites here.
Hey, good
Morning.
morning. How are you? We are doing good.
As you see, the sites are spacious. They have gravel.
As you can see, it's a gravel road and gravel spaces all the way through. Been a lot of rain, but it's dried up pretty good, I think.
Yeah, when we pulled in, there was a little bit of puddling, but these puddles have since vanished. Good drainage.
Now the park has a round circle at the end, but we're going to go off to the right, I believe, as there's two spaces at the very end of the curve.
I think that space is 59 and 60.
That is correct. Kind of funnily arranged because it looks like one big pull through. Over here are two sites.
This is space 40.
These are back ends.
Space 40, and I'm not sure which side that one is. Yes, these all on the outside perimeter are back in. And there's some back in sites up front, as you saw previously.
This is also a good way to get our morning exercise, folks.
And you see the view here to the right, it's beautiful. But there's a volleyball net right there.
Yes, and they actually had a bowl inside the net. It looks like somebody left it out on the ground. Now over to the left here are the two pull-through sites.
And someone actually did pull in over there. He must have backed in, I guess.
Or they
See?
could,
Yeah, that was empty yesterday.
yes.
And this, as far as the park road goes, there's a little utility area over here. And I think there's a small little turnaround at the very end, but it's not very big. So this is spots 59 here and 60 over there. Let's go see the amenities.
Okay, don't let the cane stop you, folks. This is the children's slide area. They got a few swings, couple monkey bars, little picnic table off to the left there, Ben, for appearance to sit and watch your kids.
Wow, so let's talk about the amenities in this park here.
Okay. I also noticed amenities that you can play tetherball. Looks like they might have a sandbox over here. Let's go check it out. Look at the firewood. Looks like we're ready for a big fire. So lots of firewood.
It looks like there's a little sandbox for the kids to play in. There's a big old
Grill and a nice seating fire pit area. Nice polywood chairs. Fortunately, the fire's not lit. And it's going to be a nice warmer day this afternoon, folks. We're finally getting out of the cold weather and back into some warm weather. Thank goodness. Us Florida people don't like this cold weather, even if we're in Texas. All right, let's see what's next. Hey, so we're filming, and look at who we ran into. Here's Pete with Weston Move. How you
everybody.
doing?
How you doing?
So, how you liking the park?
We're loving it, actually. It's a really, really nice park. Yeah, I would stay here again in a heartbeat. So,
Yeah.
And it's close to the NRVTA, so.
Yeah, I hear you did a visit there. How was it?
It was really nice. It was nice. I just popped my head in and asked questions and things like that. So, you know, it was, it popped in, saw Todd over at, you know, off to one direction and stuff. So.
Awesome.
But it was pretty neat.
Okay, now I got to ask you, who are you voting for? The Unplugged rally? Who are you setting to win?
Team Stacy Red.
Team Stacy Red. All right, we're there with you.
right.
All
Yeah.
right, well, we'll see you later. It's
All
good running
right.
into you, Pete.
Thanks.
Hey, we're going to check out the ladies' facilities here at the park. So let's see what we got. It's basically a one room. Got a small table here for your makeup and whatever. Your sink, your toilet, and a nice handicap stall. I do like the bars. Some of them don't have that. And you got your little curtain here. It is wheelchair accessible. And like I said, one at a time. So that's it for the bathroom. Let's go check the laundry room. Sure is.
Hey, it's Marie.
Hey, I found the washers and dryers. Okay, I do not see the price. $2 for a washer load. They got 3 washers. Let's go see what we
Well,
got.
actually, they have a total of 6 washers.
6 washers. Yep.
And they have 4 dryers.
Yep, there's 3 more on this side. You got some nice laundry carts. And let's see if we can figure out what the dryer costs here. So it looks like the dryer is also $2.
And I just counting the number of slots.
No, actually it says $2 right there.
Okay, what does it
And
say?
over here it says $2 right there.
Oh, there you go. It says $2. Hey, now we are standing in front of the Athens, Texas Boathouse, which is on site here at the late Athens Marina and RV Park. Across from me way is the office right there. To my left over here, that is the gift store and general store here for the property. Now it's kind of interesting. Behind me, it's got a wonderful view of the lake. Yesterday when we came here, it was a little bit cold, so we didn't enter the lake, but right now the temperature is just beautiful. The breeze is light. And it's a nice, wonderful part that we're here.
The food was pretty delicious. I love the food. What did you have, Ben?
Well, I had calamari and I also had a shrimp quesadilla.
Right.
This place starts serving lunch at 11 a.m. Central Time. And they also serve dinner. I'm not sure what time they close, but the staff was very friendly and very amicable. Yes.
You want to walk around the back and see the view from the deck of the boathouse?
It's Marie. Hi, what are you doing?
Horseshoes, not too good.
I think you were a little short there.
Just a little. Well, I'm a small horse.
You're a small horse, huh?
Uh-huh.
Let's see if I can try. All right, let's see if I can get one on the old ringer here. All right, here goes.
Oh, you got it in the neighborhood.
Let's see, let's do it one more time. Ooh.
Oh, that was short.
All right, let's see.
Oh,
I'll do
he's
one
gonna
more
throw-
time here.
Are you just going to keep trying till you get one? Didn't quite make it.
We'll keep talking. Here.
Look at the nice scene there with the ducks. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, look at the beautiful lake here. I'm not sure what kind of ducks those are, but there they go, they're swimming away.
Scaring them off.
Oh,
And remember to like and subscribe our channel so you can have beautiful views like this.
and much more.
And, you know,
Just want to remember to open the doors to adventure.
and start all your journeys with
The RV Keys.
keys.
Have a great day.